What's up everybody, my name is Reggie Cox and in this video we're going to show you everything you need to know about Maniac's new insect remover. So it's summer and spring and that means the bug impacts are coming back. But the removal of the bug impacts is not so much the biggest issue. It's the exchange of the protein inside of the bug that is clearing its way in through the paint. And to help you prevent that, we designed Insect Remover. A product that is inherent to any previous applied protection. So it's safe for every substrate that you can find on the car. Think about glass, aluminum, carbon, plastic, all these parts that are normally very delicate that can now be attacked in a safe way with Insect Remover. Simply ready to use product used in two ways. You can either spray, let rest, use high pressure, or spray on microfiber and wipe off with the microfiber. It is especially also designed to get rid of those exoskeletons, dissolving them from the surface that can create the biggest scratches while you are spraying or wiping this product off from the surface. Best way to use: do not use in direct sunlight. Leave the working time for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes. And after that, make sure you do a good wash. Of course, a pre-wash, neutral foam, anything in the range of getting rid of the surfactants that might still be there on the surface. To summarize, Insect Remover by Maniac. A product safe for every single surface, leaves your previous applied protection alone and is dedicated to get rid of those proteins that can get inside of your paint, helping you in your every detailer's life. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Reggie Cox. See you next time.